Hi, welcome to ONES Academy. In this session, we'll explore the feature of collaborative document editing on ONES Wiki. In knowledge management, document collaboration is to help team members efficiently share knowledge and information, so as to boost the efficiency of team communication and collaboration. We'll explain how to use ONES Wiki for document collaboration from two aspects: editing and collaboration. ONES Wiki is equipped with a powerful editor for collaborative editing and block editing, which allow multiple members to collaborate on documents for any types of business scenarios. In addition to text editing, the block editor on ONES Wiki also supports Markdown formatting and insert of diverse document elements including code, mind maps, flowcharts, audios, videos, web pages, etc. When meeting or having discussion with team members, the creator and editors of a page can use the Share button to pass the documents to other members. In order to allow users to view the page structure and content clearly, ONES Wiki supports viewing table of content that is automatically generated based on the headings on the page. If members have any ideas or notes to take about the documents while reading them, they can leave comments or annotations on the pages. Members can comment on either a part of the page content or the whole page. When viewing the page, members can leave comments on the whole page, and in editing mode, members can highlight a part of the page content and add annotations on it. ONES Wiki has preset diverse document templates to help you quickly create pages. Product owners can refer to the requirement doc template to create a requirement documentation and edit the page content according to the requirement details. For example, product backlogs can be managed by inserting to-do lists, and product prototypes can be displayed on the document through inserting a third-party web page such as Figma. As ONES Wiki is integrated with ONES Project, the issues related to requirements on ONES Project can be directly inserted and managed on the corresponding wiki pages. As for developers, they can use ONES Wiki to document all kinds of information of product development, such as thoughts that they've come up with during brainstorming, details of technical design, and predictions about potential risks. To include technical details and documentations, developers can use the various elements supported by ONES Wiki, including tables, code blocks, and flowcharts, to enrich their pages. For project managers, they usually need to use documents to manage project resources, track project progress, as well as summarize and give reports on a project. ONES Wiki helps project managers gain clear insights into the projects and makes project management much easier by supporting inserting diverse document elements, like to-do lists and flowcharts, into documents. And project data recorded by project managers can be converted to a chart with a simple click. We hope this video clarified how to use ONES Wiki for document collaboration. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, reach out to us at support@ones.com. See you next time.